How to join a Teams meeting with meeting ID. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Teams app or simply go to Google Chrome and search Microsoft Teams and then log into your Microsoft account. After logging into your Microsoft account, you'll find calendar option on left side of your screen. Then you'll find three options: join with an ID, meet now, and new meeting. To join with an ID, click on Join with an ID, then type a meeting ID that is given to you, then add meeting passcode, and then click on Join Now, and you'll be joined to meeting with ID. That's how you join a Teams meeting with meeting ID. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.